friends, Vern, Jack of all trades, master of none. 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan. As you can see here, if you can see, let me see. So as you can see here, it's a worn serpentine belt. I'm going to get down to the 18mm bolt here. Just turn it back a little bit to release the pressure. Pull this belt out and get a new belt in. You might have seen some videos that tell you need a special tool and all that. That's nonsense. You don't need to buy no special tool. Somebody's just trying to sell you a tool so that they can get a profit off of it. We're not doing that here. You want to buy a tool that makes it easier, go ahead and do that. But you could just use a wrench or breaker bar and put the right millimeters that you need on your particular car on this. So in this case I need 17mm. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to twist it and take this belt off. Okay guys, here's the bolt that we have to turn. Put it around the nut and turn. Reach in there like this, get it on there and just turn it. Okay guys, so we got the belt off. Same as I told you, I just put the bar on that bolt I was talking about, loosened it and came out. Now to put it back in, we're just going to do the reverse. Okay guys, so this bar was, I couldn't use this bar. It was kind of inconvenient. So I had to transition to a smaller ratchet, which I didn't have a regular ratchet. I had this one that is for pounds of pressure. Same process, put it in, put it around the nut and turn all the way. And it was able to give me that extra little bit that I needed to get that that serpentine belt around. So as you can see, it looks like it's around. I made sure that it's around every wheel. So we should be good to go from here. All right. So we'll start it up and see how everything goes. Thanks for watching.